Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make great skincare products with cinnamon to spice up your beauty regimen. This heavenly spice is loaded with antioxidants, medicinal properties, antifungal, antibacterial properties that makes it useful against acne, skin blemishes, different signs of aging and other common skin problems. You don't have to spend a ton of money for great looking plump lips. This cinnamon scrub works as a good natural lip plumper. Take 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1.5 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it well and store in a small container. Apply the paste and scrub for a minute. Let the mixture sit on your lips for 2 minutes and then wipe off. This lip scrub enhances the natural color and shape of the lips by increasing blood circulation. It easily removes dead skin cells. It smells heavenly. This oil reduces redness, prevents breakouts, fine lines and optimizes oil production. In a heat-proof bowl, add 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now if you have an oily skin, try to use extra virgin coconut oil. Then add 4 cinnamon sticks. Heat it on a low flame until the cinnamon sticks turn dark brown. Let it cool down completely. And then add 2 to 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Transfer the oil along with the cinnamon sticks into a glass bottle to release the spicy aroma and its properties. Store in a cool place and avoid direct sunlight. After cleansing and toning, apply a couple drops of oil directly on your face and gently massage your skin for 15 to 20 seconds. It instantly absorbs into your skin, prevents future breakouts, fights acne, and helps promote a clear, radiant, and youthful complexion. So this face pack is specially designed for removing blemishes and for making skin glow. Take 2 tablespoons of orange peel powder. Then add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a few drops of sandalwood essential oil. Mix well and store the face pack powder in a clean container. To use, combine 1 teaspoon of this powder with honey. Apply this paste for 10 minutes and then rinse off with cool water. It eliminates impurities and excess oil without stripping the skin, revealing a fresh, glowing, blemish-free and balanced complexion. To prepare the soap, cut a small block of glycerin, melt and pour soap base into small cubes and keep aside. Take another bowl and add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder and then add freshly grated lemon peels. Melt the soap base and then add the rest of the ingredients. Stir well and pour the soap batter into your favorite molds. So place your molded soap into the freezer for 5 minutes. So here you can see some cute little soap bars. So simply wet your face and very gently rub the soap for 30 seconds, targeting mostly to the T-zone areas to eliminate blackheads. And then rinse off with cool water. The powerful astringent effect of cinnamon and lemon purifies the pores, fights pimples and instantly leaves skin clear, bright and smooth. Incorporate this aromatic spice into your daily routine and see a huge difference in your skin's appearance. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.